Avenger.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Morning, sir.
Okay. Good morning, guys. Can you see the PPT?
Yes, sir.
Hello. Okay, okay. Once more, good morning to all the students. In the last class, we
Morning,
discussed
sir.
about the. Okay, very good morning, guys. About the winds. In the last class, we discussed about the winds. There are three types of winds. First one, sorry, four types of winds. First one, that is here, planetary winds. Second, it is seasonal winds. Third, it is local winds. And fourth, cyclones and anticyclones here. In the last class, we discussed about the beginning two. It means planetary and seasonal winds. Even the planetary winds also have divisions like here trade winds, anti-trade winds, and polar winds. It has here three divisions. Trade winds, they are blow either side of the equator, and anti-trade winds between the tropical zone, and polar winds in the area of polar region. Today in this class here we are going to discuss about the third, local winds. And you already know that regarding the seasonal winds here. Seasonal winds, they start to blow according to the season. For example, southwest monsoon season and northeast monsoon winds. It means rainy season and then retreating monsoon season. During this situation, we can see that seasonal winds. And third, it is local winds. These local winds are the result of variation in local temperature, pressure, humidity, which in turn are attributed to the formation of air currents crossing mountain ranges, valleys, and other relief barriers here. Local winds, these create due to the reason of that variation in local temperature, pressure, and also humidity. And whenever these local winds, they cross that mountain ranges and also valleys and other that relief barriers, relief features like plateau, coastal region, desert, plain area, mountain area here. These would create the air currents. Whenever these local winds, they may pass through the or cross through the mountain ranges, valleys, and other that geographical features, they may form here that air currents. And the important periodic and local winds are, these are the example. Land breeze, here land breeze winds, they may blow from the land region. It means from high pressure area to low pressure area. Where there is a cool, there will be high pressure area, and where there is a warm, there will be low pressure area there. And the wind, it always blow from high pressure area to low pressure area. That land breeze direction you can see in the second picture in this image. Here, this is the land. Look at the cursor, and during night, land it may get cool there, and resulted to the formation of a land breeze. And that land breeze winds or local winds, they start to blow towards that ocean near the coastal region. And whenever it gets warm and it rises up, and after rising up here, again it start to blow toward the other area there. It means toward the land. And the second, it is a sea breeze. Here, a sea breeze wind, these blow from the oceans during the time of day. Most of the ocean area, it will be cool, and land area, it will be very warm. Due to the reason of that, local sea breeze, they start to blow towards the land from the sea. And the third, it is a mountain breeze, and fourth one, valley breeze here. To understand, almost all that winds here, they may blow from the high pressure area. It means from cool area to at warm area. It means low pressure area there. Here also, in these two pictures, you can see that mountain breeze, and then how they will be that land breeze also. First picture, it indicates here day time that kind of winds, and second picture, it indicates that night time, that wind blowing areas, especially in the mountain area there. These are the important periodic and the local winds. Remember, land breeze, sea breeze, mountain breeze. It is also called as here katabatic winds, and valley breeze, it is called as anabatic winds here. Other few winds are across the world. These local winds are called through the different names here. In India, it is called as Loo. In USA, they are calling that Chinook or Snow Eater. And in the Alp region, it means in the European, Alp mountains areas, and in other regions here it is called as Fawn, Mistral in France, Sirocco in Sahara region, Brickfield in Australia, blizzard in Antarctica here. These are the other different types of local winds with land bridge, sea bridge, mountain bridge, valley bridge. These are also called through different names in the different country or regions. The fourth, it is cyclones and anticyclones. These are also very important than the others with the others here, because in the both hemisphere, both winds, these cyclones and anticyclones, they blow in different or in opposite direction there. Both cyclones and anticyclones in the both hemisphere, they may blow here in different directions. Therefore, it is very important to know about this also here. Concentrate, if you would like to understand correctly, it is very, your concentration, it is very important here to understand the direction of these cyclones and anticyclones here. Cyclones and anticyclones winds blow due to great variation in pressure. What is the reason behind of these cyclones and anticyclone winds here? That variation in pressure. These are temporary but sometimes dangerous and destructive. That you have been heard through the television or a newspaper. Cyclones and anticyclones, this may happen due to the reason of that variation in pressure. Every year in the Bay of Bengal and then Arabian Sea, these cyclones and anticyclones are happening. The first picture, it shows us here anticyclone winds. It helps to understand how they would be. And cyclones. In the anticyclones, in the center, there will be high pressure. In the anticyclone winds here, in the center, there will be high pressure. Because of that, from center to that surrounding area, always that winds blow. And the second picture, it helps to understand cyclones. If there is a high pressure in the anticyclones, in the cyclones, there will be low pressure. Cyclones, they have low pressure area in center, and anticyclones, these have high pressure in the center there. Let us understand a little more here how they will blow in the northern and then southern hemisphere. Here, cyclone it is a small low pressure area in the center surrounded by high pressure. In the cyclones center, it is covered by the low pressure area. Because of that, from surrounding high pressure area, that winds always it blow towards that middle. Cyclone winds, they have low pressure area in center. Because of that, from surrounding high pressure area here, that wind it will start to blow toward that middle of the wind or center of the wind there. and these winds blow spirally towards the low pressure area. These winds here, they blow towards that low pressure area spirally there.
Sir, spirally means what?
You can see in that picture there, you will easily understand. Didn't you heard about this spiral binding? Rotating. You can see in that picture here. They rotating here, they move from from high pressure area to low pressure area, especially in the ocean regions here. In Kada, we can call that Suruli Akaradalli. Rotation in English here, and in Kannada here, that is a Suruli Akara. Cyclone is a small low pressure area in the center surrounded by high pressure area. In the cyclones, wind it always blow from high pressure area to low pressure area, which is in the center there of the and any that area there. And the direction of these cyclones in the northern hemisphere and then southern hemisphere, it is different or it is opposite here. In the northern hemisphere, the direction of cyclones or cyclonic winds, it is anti-clockwise or counterclockwise here, opposite of that clockwise direction. Cyclones in the northern hemisphere, they blow in the direction of that anti-clockwise or counterclockwise. Andre ಗಡಿಯಾರದ ದಿಕ್ಕಿಗೆ ವಿರುದ್ಧವಾದ ದಿಕ್ಕಿನಲ್ಲಿ. In which hemisphere here? In the northern hemisphere. And in the southern hemisphere, they follow here clockwise. How that storms they move from one place to, it means in that clock there, from west to east. Like that, in the northern hemisphere, cyclones, they may follow here that clockwise direction or the clock direction. But in the northern hemisphere, opposite of that clockwise, it means anti-clockwise or that counterclockwise here. ಗಡಿಯಾರದ ದಿಕ್ಕಿಗೆ ಗಡಿಯಾರದ ಮುಳ್ಳಿಗೆ ಸಮಾಂತರವಾಗಿ ಬೀಸ್ತವೆ. Which one? ಯಾವ ಒಂದು ಗಾಳಿಗಳು? Cyclones in the southern hemisphere. Understood this here? Understood clearly? First, understand meaning once more here. Cyclone is a small low pressure area in the center. Here there is a cyclone it has a low pressure area in the center. Because of that, from surrounding area, while you were studying about the wind, you already studied about how that winds they blow from one place to another place. Wind always it may move from one place to another place here through what? High pressure area to low pressure area. In the cyclones, the center area it is covered by the low pressure area. Because of that, from surrounding area here, that winds it blow towards that low pressure area. Here, these cyclones they blow in opposite direction in the both hemispheres. In the northern hemisphere, they follow here anti-clockwise, and in the southern hemisphere, they follow here that clockwise direction there. Understood clearly? Now, next, here the types of cyclones. Cyclones are of two types. Still also we are studying about only cyclones. We are studying about that anticyclones. After this we will discuss about the anticyclones here. Here we are discussing about cyclones, remember. These cyclones, they follow in the northern hemisphere anti-clockwise direction, and in the southern hemisphere clockwise direction. And it has two types, tropical cyclones, and the second it is temperate cyclones. First one, tropical cyclones, and the second it is temperate cyclones here. In that picture, you can see that in the second picture below, how they will be, that cyclones. Tropical cyclones, these are found in the tropical region. They are very powerful and disastrous. They are very dangerous here, very powerful here. And temperate cyclones, these are found in the temperate region. Tropical cyclones, this happens in the tropical zone. It means in the torrid zone there. And temperate cyclones, this happens in the temperate zone, the second zone, the second heat zone there. And even these are also what not equal. These are not equal to that tropical. These are less strong and then less dangerous here. These are not much destructive than the tropical cyclones, but tropical cyclones are very destructive and then very powerful there. In different regions here, they are called through the different names. Cyclones are called by different names in different regions. Japan and China here in this area here. Look at the map. This area is covered by the countries of Japan, Taiwan, and Philippines, and etc. here. They call that cyclones here typhoon. In India and in the region of that South Africa, eastern part, in this area we call that cyclones. In the America, in the both sides, even in the eastern side also and then western side also, here they call that through the hurricanes. In Australia, they are called as willy willies. In India, you already know that they are called through the cyclone. And in Russia, they are called through the whirlpool, willy willies, hurricanes, typhoons, cyclones. These are the different names of cyclones in different regions of the world. In the last few years, Indian coast has experienced few disastrous cyclones. Some of them are Bola, Nargis, Nisha, Ayla, Laila, Bijli, Jal. These are the few examples of that cyclones which happen in the region of Indian Ocean. These are Bola, Nargis, Nisha, Ayla, Laila, and Bijli, Jal. Few examples which were occurred in the Indian Ocean in that few that last decade. Next, the second important cyclone is anti-cyclones here. Here, anticyclones, these have high pressure area in the center, and always that winds it blow from that high pressure area to low pressure area. Surrounding area it is covered by the low pressure area, and the center area of the this cyclone anticyclone it is covered by the high pressure. Therefore, always wind it blow from center to that surrounding that areas. It means outwards toward the low pressure area. And in this picture you can see how that anticyclones they blow from that high pressure area to low pressure area, which is what in the that outwards. This area it is a low pressure area, and the center point here, this is the what high pressure area here. In the northern hemisphere, direction of the anticyclone winds it is clockwise.
Sir, send the YouTube link, sir. I'm not.
What?
Sir, YouTube link.
Huh?
Send, sir.
After over in the class, sir, they will send a YouTube link. Okay, once you cannot understand it properly, afterwards you can see once more or revise that class. You will understand easily there by observing the that YouTube link. Sir, they will send afterwards after over in the class. Here, anticyclones they follow clockwise in the northern hemisphere, and in the southern hemisphere they follow here that anticyclones. You audio, who is that? Mane. You write in a small paper while studying about these cyclones and anticyclones. One, it is a little difficult to understand about the cyclones and anticyclones. Therefore, while studying these cyclones and anticyclones direction, better to use their small paper. In that small paper, you can form a chart also, or you can write in the right side of your paper, northern hemisphere, and in the southern hemisphere. And in the top, you mention there make there 3 columns. Use the first column to write about that northern hemisphere and then southern hemisphere title. How will keep the numbers number 1, 2, 3, 4 like that? You write here this northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. And how you will write headlines in that box while you will draw while writing that differences between the that dash and dash there. Like that, you have to form here 3 columns. ಇವಾಗ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಏನು ಬರೀತಿರಲ್ಲ, ಬರೆಯುವಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ, you will form there, you will draw there 3 columns there. One, it is to mention the numbers, and another 2 are used to write the differences between the dash dash there. Like that, you have to draw small that box or that 3 columns, and in the place of writing that numbers, you have mentioned there northern hemisphere, and then second it is southern hemisphere. These are the 2 hemispheres. And titles cyclones and then anticyclones. In the place of that dash and dash, there you mention there cyclones and then anticyclones. In the second column, in the first column, you will mention there northern and then southern hemisphere, number 1 and number 2. And in the second column, here you mention the top headline, it is a cyclone, and by observing this PPT or that YouTube link, you can mention there what is the direction of that cyclone in the northern hemisphere, that is anti-clockwise, and what is the direction of that cyclones in the southern hemisphere, that is clockwise. And in the last column, that is anticyclone column, there you have to mention clockwise in the northern hemisphere. In the northern hemisphere, anticyclones they follow here clockwise, and in the southern hemisphere they follow here anti-clockwise here. This is about that cyclones and then anticyclones here. Next here, we have to discuss about humidity. It is also very important. Humidity is the amount of water vapor or moisture which is present in the air. Humidity, it means in Kannada here, ardrate. It is the amount of or mass of water vapor or moisture present in the air. Humidity is measured by using an instrument called hygrometer or a psychrometer here. Here, this is the instrument. What are the instruments which we use to measure the humidity of a place? That is hygrometer or a psychrometer. There are two. This is first one, it is hygrometer, and the second it is here psychrometer, which we use to measure a place humidity. In this picture, you can see that humidity here, how it would be. And it has three divisions here. Humidity. Humidity is expressed in different ways. Are important among them. They are absolute humidity. There are three ways to express here that humidity which is present in the air. First one, absolute humidity. It means integral. And the second, it is a relative humidity. It means little. And the third, it is a specific humidity. Definitely there. First one, absolute. Entirely how much is there in that air humidity. To measure entire that humidity which is present totally here, we use that absolute humidity word. And relative humidity means here to tell about that humidity which is present in the air in the little form. And the specific humidity, it is used to measure in that particular amount of air what percent of humidity is there. To identify that, we will use here this specific humidity. Even this is also a little hard to understand, like that cyclones and then anticyclones, but you have to recall even this also twice, and then you will easily understand. First, it is here absolute humidity. It refers to total amount of water vapor present in a given volume of air. It helps to tell about the total amount of water vapor which is present in the given volume of air, and it does not take temperature into consideration. Here, we do not consider that temperature. Entirely that amount of water vapor will consider in that given volume of air.
Sir, consideration means what, sir?
Galaxy tab, who is that? Who told you to scratch the screen?
Sir, consideration means what, sir?
Wait, yeah. Pariganisu. Consider. Consideration means here consider. Pariganisu ke. Galaxy tab, I will send you out. I can't tolerate such a behavior in the class here. This is YouTube live, and who's that Galaxy Tab here? He is not from what our class, I think there. Here first, that is absolute humidity. Here absolute humidity refers to total amount of water vapor which is present in the given volume of area. And here we do not consider the temperature for measurement. Here we will consider only that water vapor which is present in that given volume of air. There will be both in that given volume of air, even the temperature also and then water vapor also there. But here we do not consider that which one temperature. We will consider only that water vapor which is present in the air. And the second, it is here relative humidity. Here relative humidity, it is the ratio between actual amount of water vapor present in the air and the amount of water vapor the air can hold at that temperature. Means in the particular temperature, what percent of that water vapor air can hold. To measure that, we will use or will practice here this relative humidity here. In the first absolute humidity, here we will take only water vapor which is present in that air, but we do not consider their temperature. In that given volume of air, ಕೊಟ್ಟಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಅಥವಾ ಒಂದು ನಿರ್ದಿಷ್ಟಪಡಿಸಿದಂತಹ ಒಂದು ವಾಯುವಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆರ್ದ್ರತೆ ಇದೆಯಪ್ಪ ಅನ್ನೋದೇನು ಮಾಡೋದು ಮೆಜರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. That is called absolute humidity. And in the relative humidity here, it is the what ratio between the actual amount of water vapor present in the air. In a normal situation, what percent of that water vapor present it will be in that air, that and also the amount of water vapor the air can hold at the temperature. ಒಂದು ನಿರ್ದಿಷ್ಟಪಡಿಸಿದಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಉಷ್ಣಾಂಶದಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟ್ ಅದು ಏರ್ ವಾಟರ್ ವೇಪರ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಹಿಡಿದುಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತದೆ ಅಥವಾ ಹಿಡಿದಿಟ್ಟುಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತದೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಕಂಡು ಹಿಡಿಯೋದೇನು ರಿಲೇಟಿವ್ ಹ್ಯುಮಿಡಿಟಿಗೆ. In this picture, you can easily understand that this is the first one. It is a normal here. In the normal condition, relative humidity it is a 100% in 10 degrees Celsius. In 20 degrees Celsius here, water vapor it is a 53%, and in the 30 degrees Celsius, 28% of that relative humidity here. Or the 28% water vapor will be there in that 30 degree Celsius temperature. I think.
Sir, where they given air can hold that.
What?
Sir, that formula is the actual amount of water vapor in the air divided by the maximum amount of water vapor air can hold, no sir? Sir, their air can hold not given, no sir. Sir, they not given how much air can hold that.
Wait here. I will explain about that. I am not explaining about the relative humidity, this formula. Just understand first these above, first one here, picture. How that temperature it may increase here, like that, the water vapor, it will decrease in the air. If the temperature it will start to increase in the air, maybe that water vapor it may decrease according to this picture here. Relative humidity. Now come to the point here, that relative humidity measurement formula. How they will identify this relative humidity? It is measured through this formula, that is the actual amount of water vapor in the air, and divided by the maximum amount of water vapor the air can hold into 100 here. This is the formula to know about the relative humidity. You don't compare this formula and this picture. These two are different here. ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾನ ಈ ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್ಗೆ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ don't study that here. This is a different, and then this is a different here. This is a formula.
Sir, ನೀವು ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಕೊಡ್ರಿ
with an video I'll show tomorrow. If I told only through the explanation here, it is a little hard to understand regarding the relative humidity, absolute humidity, and the third, that is specific humidity there. Absolute, relative, and then specific here. With under that video, you will understand properly regarding this relative humidity, and then that absolute humidity, and then specific humidity there. Vidya Biradar, you don't get any confusion regarding this atmospheric humidity. Regarding this atmospheric humidity, by using under that teaching aids and then videos, I will explain once more regarding these there. Then you will easily understand. Only through the referring of these PPT, it is a little harder to understand that. Tomorrow I will bring the other videos which help us to understand properly this atmospheric humidity, and also if it is possible, I will bring that teaching aids also there. In that class, I will show what is the relation between these absolute, relative, and then specific humidity there. Understood how clearly? You drop about this atmospheric humidity there. What about that cyclones and anticyclones? Have understood that? If you do not understand properly, you shall don't think here. Once more, after watching this class, or that after watching this all online class, you watch that once more regarding the atmospheric, cyclones and anticyclones. And here I have given already an idea also regarding how to understand that cyclones and anticyclones.
Sir, what is homework?
Work, you try to understand that cyclones and anticyclones today.
Yes, sir.
That is the work today there. Okay, regarding a little more regarding the atmospheric humidity, I will explain through that teaching aids and then other videos which help us to understand properly that. Understood clearly? Not regarding this atmospheric humidity, regarding that cyclones and then anticyclones. Okay, today here with this only I will conclude this class. Remaining little more regarding this atmospheric humidity we will discuss tomorrow then. Okay, thank you so much to all. Bye.
Bye, sir.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, friends. So what we are discussing, students? Yes. What we are discussing? So where we have stopped the classwork, students?
Ma'am, inaudible sound.
Audible and inaudible sound. Okay. The next is noise and music. Write that noise and music. So noise, what is the noise is? It can be recorded as an unpleasant sound. Unpleasant sound. Noise consists of sound waves of varied frequencies which have no particular periodic
Ma'am, this are not seeing only, ma'am.
patterns of repetition. So here example, what you can do example profit. Then students communication in the classroom. These examples we can do. Next one is what is that music? It is a pleasant sound that has a clear pitch. Musical sounds can be created by arranging combining different songs in a particular order. Completed?
No, ma'am. Ma'am, completed.
No, ma'am.
Noise pollution. It can be defined as the presence of undesirable and unpleasant sounds in the Earth's environment. Earth's environment. Okay, so what are the examples of noise pollution? We'll come to know that. This is what noise pollution. Okay? Next one is causes of
Factory sound, ma'am.
okay, we'll discuss causes of noise pollution. Come to that point. What are the reasons? Causes of noise pollution. You know that transport noise, the bus, vehicles, all vehicles make sound. Next, industrial noise, companies, factories, industrial noise. Then neighborhood noise also will be there. So neighborhood who are there, they will be also making noise. Then construction noise. If anybody is building, means constructing building means some machines will be working there. That also making noise. Then political activities also. No, political activities means while putting vote and all, people will be coming to your area and group of people come and ask you to put vote and all that, and also will be announcing, right? So these all will be taking place in political activities. And bursting of crackers. Okay. These are the some examples of causes of noise. Completed? The spelling is industry. Who is talking? Have you completed? Effects of noise pollution. Effects of noise pollution. Excessive noise in the surroundings. Excessive noise in the surroundings can lead to serious health problems. Serious health problems such as hypertension, lack of sleep, anxiety, lack of memory, stress, irritation, and even nerve breakdown. It also can lead to temporary or permanent hearing loss in human beings as well as animals. So these are some examples, effects of noise pollution. Next one is the prevention of noise pollution. How we can prevent the noise pollution. Computer students? Yes, have you completed?
No, ma'am.
Complete it first.
Yes, ma'am. I'm finished.
Prevention of noise pollution. Prevention of noise pollution. First is, what is that? Factories and other industries should be set up at a distance who is talking. Please mute your voice. Please mute your voice, students. If anybody is speaking at your home, please mute your voice. I am telling them. Audio, you mute yourself. Distance from residential areas. Silencing devices should be silence. Something should be incorporated into heavy vehicles. Such as aircraft, industrial equipment. We should always play TV, radio, and other music systems at a low sound. At a low sound. The last point is trees should be planted. Trees should be planted in huge numbers. As they can absorb unwanted noise. So these are the prevention of noise pollution.
Ma'am, over.
No, ma'am, not completed.
Complete it. Who count this? I listen the audio here. I delete your name. I remove. Okay. Have you completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes. Now we come to your exercise for students. I'll just discuss the exercise for questions.
Okay, ma'am.
Page number how much, ma'am?
Open the lesson 10 sound lesson open and see that last page. What is that? 119. Okay. I'll discuss now just. All of you open your exercise part, students, in the textbook.
Open, ma'am.
Okay. What is there first? Choose the correct answer is there. Sound can travel through. 4 options are there. Gases only, liquids only, solids liquids, and gases is there.
Solids, liquid, gases.
What is the answer is?
Option D.
Liquids and gases. Sound can travel through all the media. Liquid, solid and gases. All of you tick that correct answer, students. Second question now. Voice of which of the following is likely to have minimum frequency?
A man.
Baby girl, baby boy, a man, a woman is there. So which of the following is likely to have a minimized frequency?
Man.
Man. In which of the following statements true or false you have to say? Sound cannot travel in vacuum is there.
True.
True.
Sound cannot travel in vacuum. Yes, okay. It cannot travel in vacuum. It is true. The number of oscillations per second of a vibrating object is called its time period.
False.
So the number of oscillations per second.
What is second answer?
Frequency.
See, this boy is not listening or what? You listen to.
Ma'am, daily he will do like this only, ma'am.
Yes, you listen properly, student.
I mean, our mobile network problem is there, ma'am.
My mobile.
No, ma'am. In his mobile and network problem is there, ma'am. Telling you.
It is not my problem. That is your problem. Because all students are listening, you are only having the problem. So, okay, just I am telling the answer. The second one is, what is that? False. Second answer is false. Yes, how many of you want to say the answer? Please raise your hands. I don't want to say the answer from only one student. All students have to answer here. Soumya, please off your video. Don't on your video, Soumya. If anybody wants to say the answer, please raise your hand. I don't want to say only for one student. If the third one is, if the amplitude of vibration is large, sound is feeble. Is it true or false, students? Don't say all of your answer. Yes, raise your hands. I'm not seeing anybody's raised hands on the screen. Yes. Yes, Akash, Bhagyashree, Darshan, Deepak. Don't know to say the answer, students.
Ma'am, question what, ma'am?
Ma'am, false.
Are you seeing the textbook?
No, ma'am.
See the textbook, true or false. Third question.
Ma'am, false.
If the amplitude of vibration is large, sound is feeble, is there? You know, loudness
False.
we have discussed. Is it true or false?
False.
False.
It's Pawan Kumar.
False, ma'am.
Pawan Kumar, false. Okay. It is false. When the amplitude of vibration is small, it is feeble. When it is large, it is loud. Okay. It is false. Fourth one. For human ears, the audible range is 20 Hz to 20,000 Hz. Is it true or false?
Ma'am, shall I tell?
Yes.
True, ma'am.
It is true. you know that the normal valves which we used to listen, that will be 20 hertz to 20,000 hertz. Okay, it is true. Then next E, the lower the frequency of vibration, the higher is the pitch.
False.
Yes, it is false. Unwanted or unpleasant sound is termed as music.
False.
It is also false. Unwanted and unpleasant sound means it is not a music, it is a noise. Then noise pollution may cause partial hearing impairment.
True.
It is true. So we may lose our hearing means problem. Next, come to the fill in the blank, students. Time taken by an object to complete one oscillation is called
Time period.
Time period.
it is a time period. All of you write in your textbook, students, whatever we are discussing. Fill in the blanks, you write in your textbook. Loudness is determined by the dash of vibration.
Amplitude.
So amplitude. Vibration is determined by the amplitude of vibration. So unit of frequency is
Hertz.
Hertz.
It is hertz. Okay, hertz. Unwanted sound is called
Noise.
Noise.
place of a sound is determined by the dash of vibration. Shrillness means what is that? Shrillness means, sometimes we listen the sound, we feel that where our ears will become damaged. Like that we call it as shrillness. It is frequency of vibration. Okay. Frequency of vibration. What is this fifth question is, a pendulum oscillates 40 times in 4 seconds. Find its time period and frequency is the student. So time period means what is the student? Time period means?
Time taken by an object to complete an oscillation is called time period.
Okay, here time taken divided by number of oscillations. Time period means what we say? Here first what
Time taken divided by number of oscillations.
so time period means you know that time taken divided by number of oscillations. Okay, number of oscillations. Here, what is the time taken, student?
4, ma'am. 4 seconds.
4 seconds. And number of oscillations?
40.
40. 4 ones are 4 tens are
40.
What is the answer?
0.1 second.
0.1 seconds. Then what is the frequency, student?
Number of oscillation divided by time taken.
Okay, here number of oscillations divided by time taken. T, I will write time taken. Here 40 divided by 4. 4 ones are 4 tens are. It is frequency means what is it? 4 hertz. Say that frequency we measure it in hertz. Okay. We write in this form. Okay, what is the next question, students? A sound from a mosquito is produced when it vibrates its wings at an average rate of 500 vibrations per second. What is the time period of the vibration? Yes. What is the answer, students, here? Mosquitoes.
equals to time taken divided by number of oscillations.
Here, what we have to find here? We have to find the period of time period. Okay. So time period we have to find. Time period means we know that the formula is time taken divided by number of oscillations. So here per second is given number of oscillations. What is given in the second is time is not given because they have given that per second being at an average rate of 500 vibrations per second. Per second means 1 divided by what is that 500 vibrations the mosquito wings. And what is the answer here, students? One divided by 500. You divide it, students. How will you divide this?
Ma'am, we'll put a dot and take two zeros.
Tell me that. What is the answer? Do this divide formula.
Ma'am, the answer is 0.002 seconds.
Point. Answer is 0.002 seconds.
Yes, ma'am, 0.002 seconds.
0.002 seconds. Do you know how to divide this, students? How to divide, you know? How many have you have solved like this?
Ma'am, take point and put 0. And again put 0. And take in down 0 and put again 0. Then the equation will come. Find it to the 1000. Find it to the 1000 over, ma'am.
So that one we have to make it 1000. Then 500 to the 1000, it becomes 0. The answer is 0.002. Okay, next question is, what is the next question, students? Identify the part which vibrates to produce sound in the following instruments. Which one is that? Yes. Identify.
Ma'am, sitar.
Yes.
Ma'am, sitar.
Ma'am, sitar, ma'am.
Sitar. Identify the part which vibrates to produce. For example, you take the dolak. Okay. Dolak means which part vibrates here, students. That you have to tell. So if you take the dolak has what? Is it stretched membrane?
Perfect, ma'am.
What? Is it a stretched membrane or what will it produce? And sitar means what we use, and flute means what we use, students. So we have discussed about the past types of the musical instruments. Their string instruments and wood instruments we have discussed, right? Stretched strings, these all things we discussed. Now dolak means which type of this? So dolak is a stretched membrane. Okay, dolak has a stretched membrane which vibrates to produce sound. Okay, the next one is what is that? Sitar. So sitar means what is that? Sitar It is a stretched strings. You can see in the sitar, stretched strings. So when it vibrates, it produces sound. The next one is flute. Flute is what is that? So it makes sound when it winds, okay, by the help of wind. So flute is a wind musical instrument. So which uses a column to produce sound. Understood? This is not like the dolak, sitar, flute, one option not there. You have to tell that which part we use to produce sound in this dolak. So already we have discussed in the textbook. What is that page number 109? There we have discussed about that. Now students, which part of the musical instrument helps to produce sound? Veena, stretched string, tabla, stretched membrane, right now? So this is the answer. You have to write like this. Now what is the difference between noise and music, students?
Ma'am, shall I tell?
Yes.
Noise, it can be regarded as an unpleasant sound. Noise consists of sound waves of varied pattern repetition.
Yes. Next, some examples.
Traffic, students' communication in the classroom. Music, it is a pleasant sound that has a clear pitch. Musical sound can be reconnected by arranging and can bring different sound in the particular order.
Okay. These are some difference between music and noise. Okay. So we can say that music means it is a pleasant sound. It consists of pleasant sound. And noise means it consists unpleasant sound, we can say. Here we can give some examples of unpleasant sound and pleasant sound. Then come to the question number 9. List sources of noise pollution in your surroundings. What noise pollution you can hear from your surroundings? Other students, anybody have given yesterday homework also, students? How many of you have completed this homework?
What, ma'am?
Yesterday I have given that list sources of noise pollution in your surroundings. Homework I have given.
Yes, ma'am.
Have you completed that? Tell me some pollutions in your surroundings which you can hear the sound, noise.
Bike noise.
Sounds of vehicles.
Bike noise
Vehicles noise.
and mic and loudspeakers.
Crackers.
Okay.
Crackers.
Okay.
Neighborhood sound.
Neighborhood
Sound.
Okay.
Sound of TV, radio.
Yes.
Mixer in home.
Mixer.
Sound of
Construction of the building.
Constructions of the building.
air conditions.
Yes. AC. So these are some examples we can hear from your sound. So tell me to explain what way noise pollution is harmful to humans. So what
Stress, lack of sleep,
is fast.
Nerves breakdown. Breakdown of nerves.
Yes.
Hearing loss.
Stress, irritation.
Hypertension.
Hypertension.
It
Losses
may
of
damage
memories.
the ears.
Okay.
Losses of memories.
Okay. These are the some health problems we can get from the noise pollution. And how many questions we left today? 3 questions. 11, 12, 13 questions. And tomorrow I'll discuss these three questions, and today I will send the note. Okay, students? And tomorrow I start
May I send from first?
Yes, I send from the first exercise part. And tomorrow I start the new lesson. Combustion and flame is there. Tomorrow
Yes,
I
ma'am.
okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Good morning, all of you. We are doing exercise 6.4. Okay. First main. Did you complete first main, all of you?
Sir, sixth problem.
Sixth problem. Okay. Exercise 6.4. First main question. Multiply the binomials. Multiply the binomials. This is the question. You want sixth one. 3/4 a square plus 3b square. Another bracket and 4 into bracket a square minus 2/3b square. This is the question. Answer 3/4 a square plus 3b square should be multiplied by 4 into a square minus 2/3 b square. Okay, this is important. 4 you can multiply later, you can keep outside, or inside you can multiply first. Okay, 4 is here, no, multiply with this. So 3/4 a square plus 3b square. I'll multiply 4 inside. 4 into a square, 4a square. Minus 4 to the 8. 8/3 b square. Now you multiply. From this term, we should multiply to second bracket. From this second term also, we should multiply. So first by 3/4 a square into this bracket. 4a square minus 8/3 b square. Second bracket plus 3b square. 3b square into bracket 4a square minus 8/3 b square. Now multiply. Here 3/4 into 4. 3/4 into 4 is what? 4 cancels. Here 3/4 into 4. 4 will cancel. Only 3 will remain. Number a square into a square, a raised to 4. Product of these two over. Next, 3/4 into 8/3. Here minus is there, put minus. Three by 4 into 8/3 you should do. 3/4 into minus 8/3 is that. Okay. 4 1 is 4. 4 2 is 8. 3 you cancel. Here minus 2 is remaining. Minus sign is there. So product of 3/4 and 8/3 is minus 2. A square into B square, A square, B square. Okay, this is over now. Next. Similarly here, 3 4 are 12 plus 3 4 are 12. B square, A square. I'll write A square, B square. Then here 3 into minus 8 by 3. 3 into minus 8 by 3. 3 will cancel. Okay, this 3 and this 3 will cancel. So minus 8 B square into B square, B raised to 4. Okay, any like terms are there? Yes, here like terms A square, B square. Here also A square, B square is there. Simplify this. This is equal to 3 A raised to 4. 12 A square, B square minus 2 A square, B square. 10.
Sir, 10 B square, 10 A square, B square.
Okay, minus 8 B raised to 4. This is answer. Any doubt is there, you can ask. Otherwise, I'll go next. In first page, any doubts are there? Next question. Second question, find the product. Find the product. First one, 5 minus 2x into 3 plus x. Answer. In bracket, into the bracket, 5 minus 2x, bracket complete, into, in another bracket, 3 plus x. Multiply 5 into bracket, this bracket, 3 plus x. Minus 2x into bracket, again this bracket, 3 plus x. Multiply this. 5 3s are 15. 5 into x, 5x. Here, 2 3s are 6, minus 6. Minus plus minus. 2x into x, 2x square. These two are like terms. 15 minus 6x plus x. Plus minus 6x plus 5x. So minus x minus 2x square. Next example, second one, x plus 7y, in another bracket, 7x minus y. Answer, x plus 7y, in another bracket, 7x minus y. This is equal to x into 7x minus y plus 7y into 7x minus y. This is equal to multiply 7x into x, 7x square minus x into y, xy minus xy plus 7 7 are 49 y into x, xy plus into minus minus 7 y into y, y square equal to 7x square minus xy. Here these two are like 49 minus 1 plus 48 xy minus 7y square. Question number 3. A square plus b, another bracket, a plus b square. Answer: a square plus b in another bracket a plus b square. So this is equal to a square should be multiplied to second bracket a plus b square plus b should be multiplied to second bracket a plus b square equal a square into a cube plus a square into b square a square b square a square b plus b into ab plus b into b square b cube. Here a cube, a square, b square, ab are different terms. You cannot add these. Those are not like. Then fourth, p square minus q square into 2p plus q. Answer: p square minus q square into 2p plus q equal p square should be multiplied to bracket 2p plus q minus q square should be multiplied to second bracket, that is 2p plus q equal to p square into pq plus p square into q, p square q, here minus 2, q square p is there, so pq square minus plus minus, so q square into q, q cube, it is p square q, it is pq square. These are not like further simplification we cannot do that much. Next, third main, simplify. First one, x square minus 5 into bracket x plus 5 plus 25. Answer: x square minus 5 into bracket x plus 5 plus 25. First multiply this. X square into bracket x plus 5 minus 5 bracket x plus 5 plus 25. Okay, multiply this. X square into x square into x is x cube plus 5 into x square 5x square minus 5 into x minus 5x minus plus minus 5 5 are 25. Here 125 is there. Plus 25 minus 25 cancel equal to x cube plus 5x square minus 5x. This is simplification. Hello? ನಿಮಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದಲ್ಲ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡಬಾರಂತ ಈ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ನಾನು ಆಫೀಸ್ ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಓಪನ್ ಆಗಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಈಗ ನಾನು ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತೀನಿ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಮುಂಜಾನೆ 8 o'clock ನಿಂದ 2 o'clock ತನಕ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅವಾಗ ಯಾರು ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಆಯ್ತಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ಓಕೆ ಆಫೀಸ್ ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅಥವಾ 2 o'clock ನಂತರ ಮಾಡಿ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಸಮಸ್ಯೆ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಬಂದು ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಆಫೀಸ್ ಭೇಟಿ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಈ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ನಡೆಸ್ತದೆ ಹೇಳಿದ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳಿದ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಈಗ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಲ್ಲ ನಡುವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು Students, 8th class students also say anything if you want to speak during 8 o'clock to 2 o'clock, please don't call because we will be in the class. How to receive your call? ನಮ್ಗೆ ಅದು ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ ಈಗ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ ನನ್ನ ನೋಟ್ಬುಕ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅದಿಲ್ಲ ಈಗಿಲ್ಲ ಈಗ ಮಾತಾಡ್ರೆ ನಾ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ರೂಮ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತೀನಿ ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡ್ಬೇಕು and also you should call office admission related then ನನ್ನ ನಂಬರ್ ಹೋಗ್ಯದ್ರಿ ನನ್ನ ನಂಬರ್ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಆಫೀಸ್ ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ಸ್ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಕಾಲ್ ದ ಆಫೀಸ್ ಈ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದ ಏನೋ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದ question number second a square plus 5 into bracket b square plus 3 b cube is that b cube plus 3 plus 5. So similarly, you do students this all of you try this because first simplify the first these products then add ಕೆಲವೊಬ್ರು ಒಂದು ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಏನ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾನ ಎಲ್ರು ಅಗದಿ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿ ಒಂದ್ಸರಿ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಬೇಕು ಓಕೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಹೇಳಿ a square plus 5 p cube plus 3 plus 5 ಬರೆಯೋದು ಬರ್ದಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಗೆ ಎರಡು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ ಯಾವ ತರ a square na b cube plus 3 ಗೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡೋದು ಆಮೇಲೆ 5 ನ b cube plus 3 ಗೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡೋದು ಈ 5 ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಡೋದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ ಓಕೆ ನೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇಷ್ಟ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 5 ಬಿಟ್ಟಿರಿ ಇವು ಎರಡು ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಓಕೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ ಮತ್ತ a square into b cube ಬರುತ್ತೆ plus a square into 3a square ಆಯ್ತು plus 5 into b cube 5b cube ಆಯ್ತು 5 into 3 15 ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ ಗೊತ್ತದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಗೆ ಮತ್ತೆ 5 ಬಂದಿರ್ತದೆ ಇಲ್ಲ a square b cube plus 3a square plus 5b cube plus 15 ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 5 ಬಂದಿರ್ತದ
ಸರ್ 5 plus 3 ನೇ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲಲ್ರಿ
ನಾನು ಏನ್ ಹೇಳತ್ತೀನಲ್ಲ ನೀವು ತಪ್ಪು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರ ಸ್ಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಹೇಳತ್ತೀನಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಕೇಳ್ತೀರ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ ಕೆಲವೊಬ್ರು ಈ 5 ಅದಲ್ಲ 5 ನ ಬಿಟ್ಟಿರ್ತೀರಿ ನೀವು ಯಾವ ತರ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ ತಿಳಿಸಿ ಹೇಳತ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನೀಗ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಈ ತರ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ ಅಂತ ತಿಳಿಸಿ ಹೇಳತ್ತೀನಿ ಕೇಳಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 5 ಅದಲ್ಲ 5 ಬಿಟ್ಟಿರ್ತೀರಿ ಬರೀ ಇದನ್ನಷ್ಟ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ ಕೆಲವೊಬ್ರು ಇದಷ್ಟೇ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡೋದು ಇದು ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಬರೋದು ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 5 ಅದಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನ ಮತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇಡೋದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಡುವಿನ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ 5 ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿರ್ತದ ಅದು ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಅದು ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಅಟ್ಯಾಕ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ ಬರ್ಬೇಕು ಇದು 5 ಬರಿಬೇಕು ಇದನ್ನು 5 ಬರಿಬೇಕು ನೀವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ ಇಷ್ಟ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಿಡುದು ಆಮೇಲೆ 5 ದಂಡಿಗೆ ಹಚ್ಚುದು ಆ ತರ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ರಾಂಗ್ ಅದು ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಕಡೆ 5 ಬರ್ಬೇಕು ಓಕೆ ಸೊ a square into b cube plus 3a square plus 5b cube 15 plus 5 ಎಷ್ಟಾಯ್ತು 28 ಬರ್ಕೋ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಯಾವ ತರ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ ಅಂತ ಅದನ್ನ ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು even 8th 9th students also do this you have written
yes sir
okay now here ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಕೆಲವೊಬ್ರು ಯಾವ ತರ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಕ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು. ಓಕೆ, ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಅಂದ್ರ here I'll explain one more simple example ಯಾವ ತರ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಇರ್ತಾವ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. 10 into 2 minus 3 into 2 then plus 5 ಇತ್ತು ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊರಿ. ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಹುಡುಗರು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ. ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಹುಡುಗರು ಲೋವರ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಯು 1 or 2 ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ, 10 into 2 ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ 20 ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇದು minus 3 into 2 6 ಬರೀದು, ಈ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 5 ಬಿಟ್ಟ ಬಿಡೋದು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇಷ್ಟು ಬರೀತೀರಿ 20 minus 6 ಮಾಡೋದು. ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂತು? 14 ಬಂತು. ಮತ್ತೆ ಈ 5 ತಂದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಮತ್ತೆ ಸೊ 19. ಈಗ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಏನ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? 10 2 is 20 minus 3 2 is 6 plus 5 ಬಂತು. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಡಿಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾ? 20 plus 5 25 ಆಯ್ತು. 25 minus 6 ಎಷ್ಟು? 90. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇರ್ತದ. ಆದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು, ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಬರ್ದಿರಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ 20 minus 6 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ತದಪ್ಪ ಈ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ? 20 minus 6 49. ಈ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 19 ಬಂತು. 14 19 ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಅದಾವೇನು? ಇಲ್ಲ, ಎರಡು ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಇದ್ರ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 14 ಅದನು? ಇಲ್ಲ. ಈ ತರ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ರಾಂಗ್. Okay, so what you should do? You should not leave numbers, and each step should be in the next line. Front you should not write in next. 10 to the 20, 3 to the 6, plus 5 should also be written here only. Next equal to the law. Equal to the ಕೆಳಗೆ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಮತ್ತೆ ಇದನ್ನ ತಂದು ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬರಬಾರ್ದು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೋದು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೋದು. ನೋ, ಹಿಯರ್ ಇಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ 20 plus 5 25 minus 6. Next equal to should be below this. So 9. Understood? Should look systematic. ನೀವು ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡೋರಿಗೆ ತಿಳಿಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊರಿ, ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರ ಅವರು? ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, 0 ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಅವ್ರು ಸರ್ಚ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ ನಂಬರ್ ಅಲ್ಲ. Did you understand or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Third one. How many of you do such kind of mistakes? Is there anyone? A square minus s. Here, this is s. Yes. 5 and s look same. That confuses. You make little difference. S and 5 should be different. Here. This is 5. Here straight line should be there. And s like this. If both are same, you get confusion. This is equal to. So in answer, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಇದನ್ನ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರ, ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಹಿಂಗ್ ಬರಿಬಾರ್ದು. t into t square minus x plus s square into t square minus s. ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರ ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಏನದ? t plus s square into bracket t square minus s. ಇದು ಕ್ವಶನ್, ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಈಕ್ವಲ್ t into t square to t cube minus t into s st alright. See, p q r s will come, no? Instead of writing ps, you write s. Plus s square into t square. S square into t. S square into s. S cube. Are there any like terms? No. It is t cube, it is s cube. It is st, it is s square, t square. These two are different. You cannot add. Next question, third one. Fourth one, A plus B into bracket C minus D plus A minus B into bracket C plus D plus 2 into bracket AC plus BD. Just one multiply. Answer. These two should be multiplied, these two should be multiplied, and these two should be multiplied. So start with the question. A plus B into bracket C minus D plus into bracket A minus B into C plus, you can leave this sign, C plus D plus 2 into bracket AC plus BD equal to. Now multiply.
Cancel will there, sir. Minus D plus D.
L over form.
Sir, minus D plus D.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗ್ತದ ನೋಡು. ಈಗ ಮೈನಸ್ 6 into 2 ಇದೆ ಹೌದಾ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 6 into 3 ಐತಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೈನಸ್ 6 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 6 ಐತೆ, ಹಿಂಗೆ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಬರ್ತದೆ ಹೇಳು, ಬರ್ತದೆ ಹೇಳಪ್ಪ ನೀನು ನೋಡೋಣ. ಮೊದಲು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲ, ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಮಾಸ್ ರೂಲ್ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತದ, ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತದ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಮಾಸ್ ರೂಲ್?
First addition, multiplication.
ಯಾರು ಮಾತಾಡೋದು ಮೊದಲು ಹೇಳೋಣ. ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಮಾಸ್ ರೂಲ್ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತದೆ ಹೇಳ, ಇದ್ರ ರೂಲ್ ಇದನ್ನ ಹೇಳ, ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪಾನ್ಷನ್ ಇರ್ತಿ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಬಿ? What is B?
Bracket.
Bracket. What is O?
Off.
Off. What is D?
Division.
Then this one?
Multiplication. Addition. Subtraction.
Okay, which should be done first here?
Multiplication.
Which should be done first?
Bracket.
Bracket. So these two brackets should be simplified first. These two should be simplified. These two should be simplified first. ಇದರ ಡೇಟ್ ಅದು ಒಮ್ಮೆ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರಲ್ಲ, ಏನೋ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಮಜಾಕ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೇನೋ ಹುಡುಗ. ನಾ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಮಾತಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂತ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾನೆ ಅನ್ನಿಸ್ತದ, ನನಗೆ ಡೌಟ್ ಇರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ನನಗೆ. ಇಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿ, ಎರಡು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಇವೆರಡು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇವೆರಡು ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಮಾಸ್ ರೂಲ್ ಅದಿಲ್ಲ, ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಆಫ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಆಫ್, ಆಫ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್, ಇಂಟು, ದೆನ್ ಡಿವಿಷನ್, ದೆನ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್, ದೆನ್ ಅಡಿಷನ್, ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್. ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತೀಯ? ಸೊ ಎ ಇಂಟು ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಸಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಡಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಬಿ ಇಂಟು ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಸಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಡಿ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಇದನ್ನ ಬರೆಯಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಇನ್ನು ಇದು ಐತಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ಎ ಇಂಟು ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಸಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಸಿ, ಬಿ ಇಂಟು ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಸಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಸಿ, ದಿಸ್ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಓವರ್, ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಎ ಇಂಟು ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಸಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಡಿ and minus b into bracket c plus d, this is over, plus 2, you can multiply directly here, 2 into ac, 2ac, plus 2 into bd, 2bd. Okay, now multiply here, a into c, ac, a into d, ad, b into c, bc, plus minus minus b into d, bd, plus a into c, ac, a into d, ad, minus b into c, bc, minus plus minus b into d, bd, plus 2ac plus 2bd. Now you can cancel. AC is there, anywhere AC is there, So AC, 2 AC. Either one more here also. AC plus AC, 2 AC. 2 AC plus 2 AC, 4 AC. Its simplification becomes 4 AC. Then minus AD, here plus AD are there. Minus AD plus AD cancel this. Plus BC minus BC is there. Cancel. Minus BD, here also minus BD is there. Okay. Minus BD, minus 2BD. Here plus 2BD is there. You want one extra step, I'll write. So here you see these two are like 1, 2, 3 are like that. Minus BD, minus 2BD. Minus 2BD plus 2BD. Cancel. 1, 2 lines you put like this. You will understand. 2 lines. Understanding? Here 2BD plus 2BD is there. Here minus BD, minus 2BD plus 2BD cancel. What is remaining now? AC. Here 1 AC, 2 AC. Here 2, total 4 AC. Now you tell me any doubts are there? Any doubt?
Sir, this can be also cancelled, no sir?
ಯಾವುದು ಎಸಿನಾ?
Yes sir.
ಎಸಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀಯಾ? ಓಕೆ. ಎಸಿ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಹೇಳಿ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಸಿ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಮ ಇಂಥದ್ದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಬರೀ
ಸರ್ ಎರಡು ಕಡೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಯಾವ್ರಿ?
ಮತ್ತೆ ಆ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನೀನ ಕೇಳ್ತಿ, ಆನ್ಸರ್ ನೀನ ಹೇಳ್ತೀಯಲ್ವ?
ಸರ್ ನಾ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ, ಹರೀಶ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೇಳ್ರಿ.
ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಯಾರು ಕೇಳ್ಯಾರು? ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಹರೀಶ್ ಕೇಳ್ದ. ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಯಾರು ಹೇಳಿರಿ?
ದೀಪಕ್
ಹರೀಶ್ ಇದು ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡ್ಬೇಕು ಗ್ರೂಪ್. ಎಸಿ ಅದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಪ್ಪ, ಎಸಿ ಅದ ಹರೀಶ್. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಸಿ ಏನದಪ್ಪ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಎಸಿ ಅದ, ಹೌದಾ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನದ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 2 AC ಅದ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಯಾವ್ದು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ನೋಡೋಣ ಹರೀಶ? ಬರಲ್ಲ. ಮತ್ ಮೊದಲು ಯಾಕೆ ಬಂತು? ಇಮಿಡಿಯೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು, ಥಿಂಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಥಿಂಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಕನ್ಫರ್ಮ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಇದು ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಅದ, ಇದು ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಅದ, ಇದು ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಅದ, ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗ್ತದ? ಸೈನ್ ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ. ಇಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು AC ಅದ
ಸರ್. ಬಿಡಿ ಒಳಗೂ 2 ಸಿಂಬಲ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಸರಿ, 1 ಸಿಂಬಲ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ನಡಿ ಸರಿ.
ಕೇಳಿಲ್ಲ ಮತ್ತು ಮಾಡಿ. ಬಿಡಿ ನೋಡ, ಬಿಡಿ ಎಷ್ಟದ? ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಬಿಡಿ ಅದಲ್ಲ, ಮೈನಸ್ ಬಿಡಿ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ತಿಳಿದಿಲ್ಲ, ನೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಮೈನಸ್ ಬಿಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನದ? ಮೈನಸ್ ಬಿಡಿ ಅದಿಲ್ಲ, ಮೈನಸ್ ಬಿಡಿ ಅದ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟದ ಬಿಡಿ?
ಪ್ಲಸ್ 2 ಬಿಡಿ.
2 ಬಿಡಿ ಅದಾವ. ಓಕೆ
ಸರ್, ಅಕಸ್ಮಾತ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 2 ಬಿ ಇರ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಬರಲ್ರಿ ಅವು ಎರಡು?
ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಮೊದಲು ಇದನ್ನ ತಿಳ್ಕೊ. ಮೊದಲನೇ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಏನು ಕೇಳಿಲ್ಲ, ಅದನ್ನ ತಿಳ್ಕೊ ಮೊದಲು. ಮೈನಸ್ ಬಿಡಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 2 ಬಿಡಿ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಈಗ ನಂಬರ್ ಕೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. -1 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 2 ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತಪ್ಪ ಹರೀಶ? ಎಷ್ಟಾಗ್ತದ ಹರೀಶ್? 4 ಆಗ್ತದ. ದೀಪಕ್ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗ್ತದ ಇದು? ದೀಪಕ್
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್.
ಎಷ್ಟಾಗ್ತದೆ ಇದು ಆನ್ಸರ್? -1 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 2 ಎಷ್ಟಾಗ್ತದ
ಸರ್? 0.
ಹ್ಯಾಂಗ್ 0 ಆಗ್ತದ ದೀಪಕ್?
ಸರ್ minus if the two symbol
-2
add and put the minus symbol. Sir, -2 + 2 cancellation.
ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲೇಷನ್ ಆಗ್ತದ.
Yes, sir.
ಓಕೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಅದರ್ವೈಸ್ ಇದು ತಿಳಿಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಗೊತ್ತದನ್ನ, ಈ -1 ಈ ನಿಮ್ ತಿಳಿಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದ್ರ +2 ಮೊದಲು ಬರ್ಕೊ, -1 ಹಿಂಗ್ ಬರ್ಕೊ. 2 ದಾಗ ಎಷ್ಟು ಉಳಿತು? 1 ಉಳಿತಾ? ಇದನ್ನ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್. 1 ಉಳಿತು, ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಮೈನಸ್ ತೆಗಿ, ಎಷ್ಟು ಉಳಿತಿಲ್ಲ? 0. ಮತ್ 4 ಹೆಂಗಾಯ್ತು? ಹಾ ಹರೀಶ, 4 ಹೆಂಗಾಯ್ತು ಸರ್? ನೀನು 5th ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್ ಕೇಳಾಕತ್ತಿ, ಈಗ ಇರೋದು 8th ಒಳಗಿದ್ಯಾ? ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ಕ್ ಹಾರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸರ್ಕ್ ಹಾರ್ತದೆ. ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, ತಲೆಯಾಗ ತಾನ ಹೋಗ್ಲಕ್ ಬಿಡಬಾರ್ದು, ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ಫೆಸಿಲಿಟಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ, ಇದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, ಬರಿಬೇಕು, ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಮ್ಯಾಥ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಟೋರಿ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ, ಕೇಳಿದ್ದೆಲ್ಲ ನೆನಪಿದೆಲ್ಲ, ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಮಕ್ಕಳು. ಓಕೆ, ಇರ್ಲಿ, ನೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಹೇಳೋಣ, ಈಗ ಹೇಳೋದು ಪೂರ್ತಿ ಕೇಳೋದ ನೀನು? ಇಲ್ಲ, ನಿನಗೇನು ತಿಳಿದಿಲ್ಲ. ಇಲ್ಲ, ಬಿಡಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಚಾಕ್ಲೇಟ್ ಅಂತ ತಗೋತೀನಿ ನಾನು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿಡಿ ಅಂದ್ರ ನಾವು ಚಾಕ್ಲೇಟ್ ಹೆಸರು ಬಿಡಿ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ -1 ಚಾಕ್ಲೇಟ್ ಅದ, ಹೌದಾ? 1 ಚಾಕ್ಲೇಟ್. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು -1 ಚಾಕ್ಲೇಟ್ ಅದ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಚಾಕ್ಲೇಟ್ ಅದ. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್? 2 ಚಾಕ್ಲೇಟ್ ಇದ್ದು ಇಲ್ಲೇ, 1 ಚಾಕ್ಲೇಟ್ ಹರೀಶ್ ತಿಂದಾನ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಚಾಕ್ಲೇಟ್ ದೀಪಕ್ ತಿಂದಾನು. ಎಷ್ಟು ಉಳಿದಪ್ಪ ಚಾಕ್ಲೇಟು? ಹರೀಶ ಮಾತಾಡ್ಬೇಕು
ಸರ್.
ಹಾ, ತಿಳಿದಿಲ್ಲ? ಈಗ ಇರು 2 ಚಾಕ್ಲೇಟ್ ಅದಾವ, ಅದ್ರಾಗ 1 ತಕ್ಕೊಂಡಿರಿ, ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ತಕ್ಕೊಂಡಿರಿ, ಉಳಿದು 0 ಉಳಿದು. ಓಕೆ, if still you have slight confusion, I will clear that. Write this question, complete this question first. You understood now? You understood?
Yes, sir.
So last answer is 4AC. For your sign difficulties, I'll explain again. Here beginning only I think I have explained, but still if you have confusion, I'll explain. Many times the students have confusion only in this. Say 4 examples I will take. 5 plus 3 is 8. Second one, -5 minus 3 is -8. Third, +5 minus 3 is 2. Fourth one, -5 plus 3 is -2. How these will come, I'll explain. So middle 0. Anyway, first one you don't have doubt, correct? You don't have doubt. Middle 0. Here, first one also I'll explain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This side -1, -2. This side -3. This is a number line. Okay. First one, 5 plus 3, how to add? First, go towards right. Plus means go towards right. Minus means go towards left. So from 0, I go towards right by 5 places. I went to this side 5 places. Okay. Plus 5 I have got. Then again 3 steps. Again plus 3 is there, no? Plus means again right side we should move. How many steps? 3 steps. From here 1, 2, 3. So what is the answer? Plus 8. Plus 8 is answer. Okay, this you understood. Second one. Here 1, 2, 3. This side -1, -2, -3,
-4, -5, -6, -7, -8. Okay. Minus means which side we should go? Towards left. From 0 towards left. How many steps I should go first? -5 steps left side. So from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I came and reached -5. Then again -3. -3 means which side? Left side. From this -3 steps here, 1, 2, 3. I came here. Okay. What is your answer? -8. Means you are going in the same direction. Understanding?
Yes, sir.
Going in the same direction. For example, Basweshwar circle is there now. Basweshwar circle. From Basweshwar circle, if you go towards Bijapur, if I take plus. And if you go towards railway station, if I take minus. Okay. To go to railway station, first you will travel, for example, 4 kilometers. That is also minus. Again you travel 2 kilometers. That is also minus. Because same direction. Total how much? 6 minus 12 towards railway station. Plus towards the example, right? How are that also don't understand. You understood this? Okay. One more example. This you understood now. Now we shall take third one. Third one, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This side, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. Plus 5 means which side I should move? I should move towards right.
Right side.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I went. Then -3 means which side I should come? I should come back left. From here 1, 2, 3 steps. I am coming back. I reached the 2. So answer is 2. This one. Okay, understood? Next. This one, last. -5. Which side I should go now? Towards left. How many places? 5 places. From here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I reached -5. Okay. Then +3 is there. I should go towards right. From here 1, 2, 3 steps. I am coming back. What is your answer? -2. So this is -2. Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, I'll take one more example to make you understand still better. Here, one example. 3 plus 2 is 5, correct? And second one, -3 minus 2 is -5. How it comes, I'll make you understand. For example, I am drawing 3 circles plus 2 circles. Okay. So, for example, shaded means plus. Okay. Shaded means plus I am taking, so is +3. Here plus 2. 2. What is its answer? Its answer is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. These are shaded. So it is 5. This you understood? Okay. Now, unshaded means I will take minus. Not shaded. Not shaded, how many are there here? 3 are there. So minus. Not shaded circles, how many are there? 2 are there. I am adding this. Not shaded total, how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many are there? What is the answer? Harish. 1, 2, 3. Unshaded means minus I have taken, so minus 3. Unshaded, how many are there? 2 are there, minus 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Both together 5 are there. So minus 5. You understood or not? You must speak.
Yes, sir.
Have you understood this?
Yes.
Okay. And still one more example. Harisha, for example, shaded circle means I am taking plus. Okay, this is plus. And plus unshaded equal to. Let us think both together they will cancel. Shaded and unshaded together they will cancel. This is plus 3, this is minus 2. These two cancelled, these two cancelled.
+1.
Plus 1 is remaining. Correct? Okay, plus 1 is remaining. For example, if there are 3 shaded, unshaded 4. Okay.
-1.
Minus 4. What is remaining here?
-1.
Minus 1. No? Understanding or not very clearly?
Yes, sir.
So now easy way to remember I tell you. Easy way. You know the point. For example, 5 minus 3 other. 5 minus 3. Bigger number smaller number subtract ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. 5 minus 3 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2 ಬಂತಾ? ಇದು ಎದರಲ್ಲಿ ಉಳಿದಿದ್ದು 5 ಅಂತ ಉಳಿದದ. ಸೊ ಇದ್ರ ಸೈನ್ ಇರಬೇಕು ಇಲ್ಲೇ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? For example, -5 plus 3 ಅಂತ equal ಈ ಸೈನ್ ಬಿಡ್ರಿ ಮೊದಲ ಎರಡು ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ಅದಾವ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. 5 ಅಲ್ಲಿ 3 ಹೋಯ್ತಾ 2 ಉಳಿತು. ಈ 2 ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಉಳಿದದ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಉಳಿದದ ಹೌದಾ? ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಸೈನ್ ಬರಿ. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಆಯ್ತು?
Yes, sir.
Okay. No doubt, no sign doubt. Now.
No, sir. No doubts.
No doubt. Good. You made everybody to understand. Harish. I will give you one question now. Whether you understood or not, I want to check. Plus 5 minus 2 plus 3 minus 1 minus 4 equal. Tell me how much? Only Harish should tell them.
Sir, +1.
+1 banta. ಯಾರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಆನ್ಸರು?
Sir, Harish.
ಹರೀಶ್ ಹೇಳಿದ ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ತಿಳಿದದು ನೋಡು. ಯಾವುದು? -1 -4 -5 ಆಯ್ತು. -5 + 5 ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಯ್ತು. ಸೀದಾ ಹೋದ್ರೆ 1. 8 ಹೋದ್ರೆ 6 ಇತ್ತು. 6 ಹೋದ್ರೆ 5 ಹೋಯ್ತು. 5 ಹೋದ್ರೆ 1. ತಿಳಿದದ ಹರೀಶ್?
Yes, sir.
-4 -5 -6. Harish, tell me. What is answer?
Sir, -15.
-15. Okay. Harish, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು question. -3 into -4 into -5. Tell me.
-80.
Minus? ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂತು ಹರೀಶ?
-60.
ಮತ್ತೆ 80 ಯಾಕೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ವಿ? 80 ಯಾಕೆ ಹೇಳಿದಪ್ಪ? ಮೈನಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್, ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್. 3 4 12, 12 5 okay. Okay, now I will stop here. ಹರೀಶ, ನಿನ್ ಜೋಡಿ ಮಾತಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂತ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮಾತಾಡಿರ್ತೀನಿ. ಸರ್ ಅಂಜಿಸ್ತಾರ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಬೇಡ, ನೀನ್ ಅಂಜಂಗೂ ಇಲ್ಲ ನನಗೂ. So we should speak each other, then we understand better. You understood now?
Yes, sir.
Thank you all.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.